We've been going on for an hour. Does anybody do anything about it? No. These kids are out here 15 hours a day, if not more, non-stop. And where are they at? They're at my window. Will anybody do anything about it? Fuck no.
And private investigative company. I'm sorry we're unavailable to take your call at the moment, but please leave us a detailed message and someone will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for calling. Please leave your message after the tone. When done, hang up or press the pound key.
It's only 11:30 on a Saturday morning, and ever since 9 o'clock this morning, it's been constant, non-stop freaking screaming, banging, rude gestures, racial remarks, accosting, cussing me out at my window from these same ratchet, unsupervised children. I'd like for you to actually do something.